Look at that red toy car. It is so beautiful.
You already have toys at home, Mia.
But this one is different. It can move by itself.
Mia, that toy is too expensive for today.
Please, Mom. I will take good care of it.
Not today, Mia. We came to buy school things.
But I really want it, Dad.
When Mom says no, she means no.
You always say that when it is about me.
Mia, wanting something does not mean we must buy it.
I was only asking.
Ooh. This red car is popular. Many children ask for it.
Can I just hold it for 1 minute?
No, Mia. If we are not buying it, we should not touch it.
Come on, everyone. We still need notebooks. Mia, come on. Do not make this a big thing.
I am coming.
Mia, stay near us. Do not walk away.
I am just standing here.
You are still thinking about that car, right?
No, I do not care about it now.
Then why do you keep looking at the store?
Stop watching me, Max. Mia, where are you going?
I just want to look one last time. Only look. Do not touch anything.
It is just sitting there. If I had this car, I would be so happy. No one is looking.
I will check the price for you, ma'am.
I will only keep it for a little while.
Why did you come out so fast?
I just looked. There was nothing else.
Why are you holding your bag like that?
Because it is mine. Stop asking questions.
Children, we are done here. Let us go home.
Yes, Mom. Let us go now.
Mia, are you okay?
I am fine, Dad. I am just tired.
Mia, wash your hands before you play.
I will, Mom. I just need my room first. She is acting strange.
She was upset about the toy. Give her a little time.
It is mine now.
Mia, what is that sound?
Nothing. Do not come in. That is the toy from the mall. No, it is not.
Yes, it is. That is the same red car.
You do not know every red car in the world.
Where did you get that?
A stranger gave it to me near the mall.
A stranger gave you an expensive toy for free?
Yes. Maybe he was kind.
Mia, that story sounds wrong.
You are just jealous because I got something nice.
I am not jealous. I think you are hiding something. What is happening in here?
Nothing, Mom. Max is bothering me.
She has the red car from the toy store.
Mia, where did this toy come from? A stranger gave it to me outside the mall.
Children should never take gifts from strangers. I forgot. I am sorry. She is lying, Mom. I know she is lying.
You always want me to get in trouble.
Enough. We will talk to your father.
Wait. The red remote control car is missing. I did not sell that car today.
I need to check the camera. Mia, we need the truth now.
I told you. A stranger gave it to me.
What did the stranger look like?
I do not remember.
Dad, that does not make sense. He just wants everyone to blame me.
Max is asking because the toy came from the mall.
Maybe the stranger bought it from there.
Mia, one lie can become a bigger problem.
Mia, if you took it, tell Mom now.
I did not take it, Max.
Who is here?
Good evening. Are you Alex, Mia's father? Yes. What happened, officer? We are here about a stolen toy from the mall.
A stolen toy?
That is our red remote control car.
No. It is not yours.
Mia, we need you to tell the truth.
I did not steal it.
That car disappeared after your family left the store.
Are you sure it was not sold?
I checked the sales. No one paid for it.
Mia, please tell us what really happened. I already told you.
The store camera recorded what happened near the shelf.
Mia? The camera saw it? Oh, Mia.
You took it and put it in your bag.
I was gonna give it back.
That is not what you said before.
I was scared.
Being scared does not change what you did.
Mia, why did you lie to us? I did not want you to hate me.
We love you, but this choice was wrong. Mia must come to the station with her parents.
Mom, please do not let them take me. We are coming with you, but you must face this.
I am sorry. I do not want to go.
This is serious, Mia. You took something without paying. We will return the toy and listen to the officer. I wish you had told the truth earlier.
I was afraid you would tell everyone.
I wanted to stop this before it became worse. Mia, do you understand why you are here?
Because I took the toy car.
Did you pay for it?
No, I did not pay for it.
Then what you did was stealing.
I know. I made a bad mistake.
That toy belonged to the store, Mia.
I am sorry I took it.
When someone steals, the store loses money and trust.
I did not think about that.
You thought only about what you wanted.
Yes, I wanted it too much.
I told you no, and you made a secret choice.
I should have listened to you, Mom.
We are returning this because it never belonged to Mia.
I do not want it anymore.
You wanted it so badly, but now everyone is sad.
I am sorry I blamed you, Max.
You made me feel like I was the bad one.
That was wrong too. I am sorry.
This happened because of your choice. If you had not stolen it, you would not be here today.
I did not know it would become this big.
Small wrong choices can grow into big trouble. The toy was small, but the mistake was not small. We trusted you today.
I broke your trust, Dad.
Yes. Now you must earn it back.
Saying sorry is the first step, not the last step.
I will not take anything without paying again.
And if the answer is no,
I must accept it.
I accept your apology, but do not repeat this.
I will not. I am really sorry.
I was angry, but I still wanted you safe.
I should have trusted you with the truth.
Next time, tell the truth before it gets worse.
I made everyone afraid because I wanted one toy.
We are hurt, Mia, but we will help you learn.
Thank you for explaining this before it became worse. She is young, but she must remember this day.
I will remember it. I thought taking it would make me happy. But it made everyone sad.
That is why honesty matters more than any toy.
I am sorry, Mom. I am sorry, Dad.
We forgive you, but trust will take time.
I understand. I will earn it back.
Wanting something does not make stealing right.
I know that now.